Roxy, and today I'm gonna do the Christmas tree with you guys! So I've been doing these videos for the past couple of years, you guys really enjoy it, and if you don't know, my Christmas tree is Harry Potter themed. And it's white! I DIY'd most of the ornaments, so I'm gonna leave in the description box all the tutorials so you can make the same ornaments if you want. And now let's start! Alexa, play Baby Shark. Have a holly jolly Christmas. Have a cup of tea. Jolly Christmas this year. Jingle bell rock. Most wonderful time of the year. Na, 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 na. Do you guys like this process or not? Do you guys buy your tree or you have one of these? Next! Let us know, let us know, let us know. Alexa, play villancicos. Que llegamos tarde, borriquito. Christmas time. A prayer. And it's up! Love you. No, it's Christmas time at all. Boo-boo-doo, boo-boo-doo-boo-doo. This video, let me know what kind of tree you guys have. Send me pictures using hashtag #RoxyStree so I can see all your Christmas trees. If you want more behind the scenes digital stickers, support this channel, or buy me a present, I don't know, you can join my Patreon. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, share it with all of your friends, and see you guys next time. Bye! Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv, by the song.
Roxyrockstv, Roxyrockstv. You are watching Roxyrockstv, watching Roxyrockstv.
Having fun.